Laying low, no place to go.
Look, this money is enough for us to plan our wedding. It's a lot. We can plan our wedding.
That's always been your plan all along. I've never mentioned anything marriage to you, and you know it.
John.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Talk with Prush is your favorite baby girl, and today I bring you another movie. The name of this movie is When a Woman Loves. Now, this movie was produced by Uchenna Umbunabo TV and it's starring Ray Emodi, Sarian Martin, Emma Emodi, and so many other beautiful actors and actresses. Now, as I will always say, I always bring you guys movies where you learn things, where you learn lessons. Okay, and for this particular movie, I have four basic lessons that you would learn from it. Number one is don't stop being a good person, even though people treat you bad, even though people are not the nicest. Don't stop being you, don't stop being a good person. It pays to be a good person at the long run. Now, the second lesson is don't assume situations. Let people's actions speak. People's actions are louder than words and facts. Learn from people's actions, not what they say. Now, the third lesson is a wicked person will not easily change, and don't let them manipulate you into thinking they will change. Now, the fourth lesson is be careful who your friends are. Not everybody that smiles at you is your friend. There are people that are meant to be kept as acquaintances, there are people that are meant to be kept far away from you. Okay, at this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Subscription is always and will totally always be free. Let me know what you feel about the movie when you watch it. Come to the comment section. Let me know what you think about the movie. Okay, and please again subscribe, like, share my videos. Okay, and please also go to my videos and watch the other videos. I do videos every day. I give you daily updates on new movies every single day. That's how consistent I am. So please check out the other videos on my page. Thank you.